Before using an evacuation slide, remove any high-heeled shoes and be sure to leave everything behind. To put on your life vests, remove it from the plastic cover and slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist, connect the clip, and pull to tighten. Inflate the life vest by pulling the red tabs or blowing into the mouthpiece. Life vests have a whistle and a light to attract attention. Special life vests are available for children. Inflate your life vest only at the exit door and step into the raft. Life vests are located under or between your seats. All large electronic devices, such as laptops, must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing. During these times, charging your electronic devices is also not allowed. If you're not using your device, it must be held in your hand or placed in the seat pocket in front of you. If your device drops into the gap between the seats, refrain from adjusting the seat and ask the cabin crew for assistance. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the charging and use of e-cigarettes, is prohibited throughout the aircraft, including the lavatories. Thank you for your attention. Refer to the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you for more information. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you'll have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world we take you.
Penso per il decollo. Per il decollo? Sì.
Stay connected with in-flight Wi-Fi. Unlimited complimentary Wi-Fi is available to customers traveling in suites or first class, business class, PPS club members, and all KrisFlyer members. Connecting is easy. Simply select the KrisWorld network and the Wi-Fi portal will launch automatically. Enter your details and you're online. If the Wi-Fi portal doesn't launch, access it via KrisWorld Digital. Customers traveling in first class and business class, as well as PPS Club members, can connect up to 3 devices to the Wi-Fi simultaneously. All other customers can connect only 1 device, but have the flexibility to switch devices or purchase an additional plan to connect another device. Please note that the in-flight Wi-Fi speed and experience may vary from ground networks and can be affected by the number of concurrent users on board. You may encounter intermittent Wi-Fi due to other factors such as weather conditions, satellite switching, or flying out of coverage areas. Certain countries' regulatory restrictions will disrupt in-flight Wi-Fi on flights to and from Europe or India. When this happens, in-flight Wi-Fi will be unavailable. Please try reconnecting later once the aircraft has left these areas. If you're having trouble connecting, try selecting Forget Network and reconnect to KrisWorld. Enable Auto Join in your Wi-Fi settings to automatically reconnect if the connection is lost. For more details, refer to the in-flight Wi-Fi card in your seat pocket, or check out the Singapore Airlines category in the KrisWorld TV section. You may approach our cabin crew if you require further assistance. To avoid unexpected charges, be sure to turn off data roaming on your device. Not a KrisFlyer member? Join now! Visit KrisWorld Digital at kw.sq.com to sign up for KrisFlyer membership and gain instant access to Wi-Fi. Stay connected with Singapore Airlines.
congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened and window shades are drawn up. Thank you.
Quello lì va a noi. Arriva prima di noi. Sarà un lungo viaggio.